I'm glad we checked before we set off.
We're heading through Harecastle Tunnel today, which is a 1.5 kilometre long tunnel on the Trent and Mersey Canal. So we thought, you know, we'd better do our due diligence and check everything over. We checked the lights and only one of our headlights was working.
Yeah.
So luckily we've got a spare bulb, so we've just spent what, half an hour?
Yeah, half an hour.
Fiddling with that and changing that.
It's quite small bolts and
tiny
screw thing and
fiddly, and it's not exactly the easiest spot
to get to
on our boat. So
right.
Almost lost the washer.
No. It's high risk. Drop one thing, it's all lost. Pretty tight.
How many chefs does it take to change a light bulb?
2.
But it's all done now. We've tested it. It's working. Now we can head off to the tunnel.
We're handy people.
We're handy.
Handy.
Let's go.
Let's go. Doing our engine checks before the tunnel.
Water is good. Oil is good.
We've got enough fuel, don't we?
We fueled up before we left, so I think we're good on fuel.
Yeah.
Belt's looking good on there.
And with our solar, we've been using a lot less fuel than we normally would.
Yeah, exactly. Everything seems to be attached in the right spots. Good to go.
Good to go.
Yeah.
But what are we supposed to do about internet while we're in the tunnel?
I don't think we need to worry about that. We're paying too much attention to what's going on.
But I gotta check my social media and stuff.
Whatever. Think the plants will be okay?
Should be. The basil plant's already left us.
Oh yeah, we lost the basil plant.
It was a particularly windy day.
It went overboard.
It went overboard.
We're about to get a new one. Barely before we knew it, we were at Harecastle Tunnel, just in time to receive our safety briefing and tag on at the back of the line of boats going northwards through the tunnel. halfway point and the really low bit is starting to get a bit higher now. It's cold.
How did your dad ever do this?
I don't know.
It's hard.
Watch your head.
You tighten up.
So we've just made it through the tunnel. Harecastle Tunnel is done.
Yep.
And I'm freezing. So cold in there.
Starting to warm up already though.
Yeah. So we were the last ones in, so they closed the doors behind us. But then we think they stopped the fans, the ventilation fans, and let somebody else in because there was a light gaining on us in the tunnel.
Yeah.
So either they let another boat in,
Or there's a ghost.
or there's a ghost boat that was chasing us. We did put a little bit more revs on for a bit there. But we are through, and we know there's a Tesco nearby and a laundromat, so we're going to find a spot to moor up and then go and get some stuff done.
Yeah.
So just going down the first lock of Heartbreak Hill, which is a lovely name for a set of 24 downhill locks. We aren't going to do all 24 of the locks today. I think we're only going to do this one because there's a stretch of Armco, Ryan says, just after it. And then we can moor up there and go do our laundromat stuff, Tesco shop. So join us next week as we tackle Heartbreak Hill and its many broken locks. So apparently the right hand side lock here is out of order.
I didn't break it.
Ryan says he didn't break it, and he insists that he told me about it yesterday. I don't think he did. I don't remember him saying anything about it.